That's fucking disgusting.
So two of these are.
Unless someone wants to share it. We're gonna get plates. Yeah, I know.
Leila.